Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to week 9. I hope you're all doing well this week. Okay, so just a few things to cover with you. Some of you probably noticed or saw the announcement I posted that I had opened up this week's work early for you last week. I think it was Thursday I actually opened it up early because I had received an email from a student who was having to travel over Thanksgiving holiday, and it made me think that there are probably a number of you who will be traveling over this Thanksgiving week. So you had a little opportunity to get a head start on something. And I saw some of you did the quiz and the discussion as well. So very good. I will grade week 8 work here this week. This is week 9 now that we're into. So that said, remember your paper is due Sunday, this coming Sunday, November 25th. And I want to caution you, I think I've mentioned this before, but I want to mention it again. The Sunday night deadline cutoff is 11:59 and 0 seconds. So what does that mean? Well, if you submit your work at 11:59 and 15 seconds, it may not take it. It's going to tell you that you've missed the deadline. So this is why I want to stress and want to encourage you to please try to submit your work as early as possible. Now, if you're just one of those people who can't do it before Sunday, I understand, but don't wait until the last minute Sunday. Get it in there Sunday afternoon or early Sunday evening, right before you eat dinner or whatever, because if you wait till the last minute, things happen. Maybe your internet goes down, and again, maybe you missed the deadline. Maybe your clocks at home are different than the clock on the computer. I've heard them all. So please try to get that in earlier. Okay, beat that to death. So this week we're going to talk about gender equality in the discussion board. And I think it's interesting. Just the other day I saw this article in the paper that scientists declare that sex and gender are not the same thing. Well, sociologists have been saying this for decades, right? And I think in society in general now, the vernacular is that, sexuality, sex, and gender are all different aspects of our human sexual experience. So what I'm asking in this discussion question, and feel free to introduce whatever topics you feel are germane, but is there true gender equality in the United States? Because if you look at, and we talked a little bit about white privilege the other day, if you look at who possesses the top places in all of the institutions in society, it's almost always males. And of course, it's almost always white males. Now, we're starting to see some change. We saw in the Congress this year, or the House of Representatives, how many more women, how many people of color, the LGBTQ community is represented to a small degree. So we are starting to see this shift, right, in society. But the question remains, how much further do we have to go before there is true equality? Shelby wants to say hi. She's crawled up on my lap. Say hi, Shelby. You haven't seen her in a while. She's doing good. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. She probably wants her lunch. Okay, what else have I got for you today? Okay, so again, I just want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving this week. If you should happen to celebrate it, if you're traveling, be safe. I hope you don't have any flight delays. And your paper, get her done. Your paper is due this Sunday. So have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye.